everyone, my name is JC Rambino. Let's begin. First, my presentation is text 1 from G7 Camia. Text 1 form script. Our survey is about planted vegetables that will tell people what people want to plant in the rainy season. Our most survey is soybean. As the interviewer say it's easy to grow and get plenty of water, and our question is exactly what you would like to plant during rainy season. And second, our questioner, why your choice of planting? And third question, why do you reason and like to plant? Second, tabular form. What is more popular planted in the rainy season? Vegetable, sitaw, okra, talong, kamatis, kangkong, and kalabasa. Why this is your choice to plant? First, sitaw. Easy to grow and healthier. Why do you reason did you like to plant? It is for sale in the market, frequency 36. Okra. Why this is your choice to plant? It grows rapidly, does not drain even more water. For a dish no longer by the market and spend time. Frequency 18 people. Talong. Why is your choice to plant? Because healthier food and delicious. Why do you reason did you like to plant? To spend every day and be possible for sale. Kamatis. Because why is your choice to plant? Because it can be monetized. Why do you reason did you like to plant? Because you can get the most because in earn be sold. Frequency 12. Kangkong. Why is your choice to plant? Because in life and many water. Why do you reason did you like to plant? Due to time spent and valuable. Frequency 10 people. Kalabasa. Why is your choice to plant? To make it wet during rainy season and can also be sold at the market. Why do you reason did you like to plant? Because of poverty, frequency 8. Who is the most popular planted in the rainy season? Sitaw. Because the frequency is highest frequency and low frequency is kalabasa.
And now, who are the most numerous reasons why they want to plant? Reason for choose the planting. Selling business. Frequency 46. Reason for choose the planting. Good health 26. Reason for the choose the planting household use 15. Reason for choose the planting pastime 6. Reason for choose planting other 7.
Who are most numerous reason why they want to plant? The you looking the most highest is selling business because to sold at the market, and others is 7 frequency because this any first make to low the frequency. Third bar graph. Who are most numerous reason why they want to plant? Number of people 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 people. And want to make the other bar graph. good health, daily business, household uses, pastime others. Reason for planting. Number of people. Who are most numerous reason why you want to plant? Selling business, 46 people. Good health, 26 people. 26 people. Household uses, 15 people or frequency. Pastime, 6. Others, 7. Who are most numerous? Final, selling business, 46 people. 2 votes. And most lowest frequency is lowest frequency of people vote is pastime. Who is the famous plant vegetable tour? Who is the most famous vegetable during rainy season? And you make a bar graph, number of people, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And under the paragraph is planted vegetable, sitaw, okra, talong, kamatis, kangkong, and kalabasa. This is planted vegetable. Who is the famous plant vegetable during rainy season? Or how many frequency or both the people of the sitaw or soybean in each is 36 people for the survey, and okra is 18 survey on the interviewer. And talong, 16 people or frequency, 16. And kamatis is 12. 12 vote or say the interviewer. And kangkong is 10. And kalabasa is 8. Why the kalabasa is most lowest famous plant vegetable during rainy day? Because kalabasa is lower plant. The vegetable is the lower and leaves. Example leaves and water. Enter the water is after the enter the water is called the garbage or this kalabasa is biodegradable plant. And final say, who is the famous plant vegetable during rainy season? For do you think the vegetable most highest frequency or both of the people is sitaw, and lowest frequency and people lowest frequency or not both the interviewer is kalabasa. Thank you for listening and watching.